Hey there! Want NordVPN's top-tier security features completely free? Sounds unbelievable, right? Stick around and I'll walk you through every step. Before we begin, check the video description below for the best deal on NordVPN. Step 1. Free trial on Android. NordVPN offers a 3-day free trial on Android via Google Play. Just download the app, sign up, and you can use it on any device, Windows, Mac, iOS, etc. during the trial. Cancel before the 3 days end and you won't be charged. Want to continue afterward? Make sure to disable subscription auto-renew or you will be billed. Step 2. 30-day money-back guarantee. If you miss the free trial or already pay, don't worry. NordVPN provides a 30-day money-back guarantee on all plans, no questions asked. That means a full refund if you cancel within 30 days. Their 24/7 customer support makes it quick and easy. Step 3. Free months via referrals. Here's a bonus step. Refer a friend using your unique link. When a friend buys NordVPN via your link, you instantly get 3 months free, and your friend gets bonus months too. That's NordVPN access for free just by helping others get online safely. Why NordVPN is ideal in 2025? In 2025, online privacy threats are bigger. From censorship to tracking, NordVPN gives you peace of mind with an audited no-logs policy, PwC and Deloitte audits, RAM-only servers that erase data each session, bank-grade encryption, and a kill switch to prevent IP leaks. Lightning fast performance via the NordLynx protocol, ideal for streaming, torrenting, and accessing geo-blocked content securely. Conclusion. So if you're using a device that's not Android, go with the 30-day money-back guarantee. On Android, grab the 3-day free trial. Want even longer access? Refer friends for extra months free. Remember, click the best deal in the description below to get started and stay protected. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.